out to be given to more children this year than ever before. So altogether, on the NHS, there are 24 million jabs being offered free. And for people who don't have it, I don't understand it, because it's a very effective way of protecting yourself against a very nasty disease.
Is the flu jab plentiful? I mean, is there lots of it around?
There will be, for those people who've been offered it, and the GP surgery says we've run out of stock.
What the?
Business verdict. There's no category for emergency piano players.
Oh, what the fucking hell are you doing? What's that? Fucking prick.
I've had since is that my job involves going to lots of receptions where drinks are poured out, and I'm the most awkward guest now at any party, because I arrive, see the glasses laid out, and I say to the poor bar staff, could you pour me a fresh glass, please? And they look at me as if I'm bonkers.
Do you know, I think it's worth doing that.
It's the only way I can operate. I do that, and I also carry a kit now that tests my
If there was somewhere else equally as nice to sit, I wouldn't bother. I would just sit down there. But if it was a packed train and people were sitting there and I had 2 hours to travel, there's no way I would stand up rather than saying to someone, I'm really sorry, but you can see here's my ticket. This is, I have paid.
I think I've stumped you already there. Hello? Oh, is Peter gone? I thought that was the most difficult question I've asked him. So we'll try and get back in just a second. We'll try and get Peter again. Seems to have dropped off the line for a moment there. The difficult question I was asking was, would you like double talk or listen to the silence? Not sure if we can get him there yet. Hold on. This is the exciting moment. All this excitement on the Popmaster podcast.